What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today is March 14th. It is a beautiful day today, and we're gonna go for a ride. So yeah, you guys enjoy this ride. So, we got some snow. Oh man, this is a lot of snow. We're supposed to be getting a couple feet. Well, I'm up to my knees. Holy crap. This is perfect riding weather, guys. This is like... Oh my. This is crazy. I don't know how far I can go. This is so much snow. Oh my God. I need a tape measure. Okay. We're getting a tape measure. Yeah. Whew. Snow got in through my boot, so it's extra cold right now. I got my Christmas lights on because, yeah. Hey, thanks. Alright. Got our tape measurer. So, you know how your boss is going to be like, so you coming into work? Well, I can't really say I'm going to be coming into work. Oh, wow. This is a lot. Okay, let's just do it right here. All right. Whew. 28 inches right here. And then further out, it gets a little deeper. But I mean, this is ridiculous. It's a lot of snow. Honestly, perfect riding weather today. Perfect riding weather. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Whew. Walking through that is a trek. Whew. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Alright, till next time, YouTube. Peace.